Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Sorry the lighting's so bright here. And this YouTube channel I'm gonna be posting some vlogs, a little bit of mukbang, and then cooking, and then family vlogs, and sometimes room tours and like challenges. And I hope you guys would enjoy my life doing my YouTube channel. And it's my first time having a YouTube channel, actually. My sister has one, but she only uses it to subscribe to her favorite YouTubers. My friend Chimmy, my older sister's friend Chimmy, she has a YouTube channel, and she actually does makeup, but she quit it because she's in college now, and it's a little tense for her. So this is just like a little mini vlog about what I do on my YouTube channel, and thank you.